Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into a RAM upgrade that could seriously boost your system's performance. The ATEC 32GB DDR4 kit, specifically designed for a range of ASUS Prime motherboards, including the popular B550M, a Wi-Fi, B550 Plus, and even some H410 and Z490 models. This kit promises a seamless and effective memory upgrade. This kit includes two 16GB modules, totaling 32GB of DDR4 memory, running at a speed of 3200MHz, PC4-25600. It operates at a standard DDR4 voltage of 1.2V. This is crucial because it ensures compatibility and stability with a wide array of systems without requiring excessive power. One of the most significant advantages of this ATEC kit is its ease of installation. ATEC designed this kit for a quick and easy install at home, no expertise required. Simply refer to your system's manual for seating and channel guidelines. The upgrade is non-ECC unbuffered, which is typical for desktop systems. The primary benefit here is the increased RAM capacity. Upgrading to 32GB allows your system to handle more demanding tasks, such as video editing, gaming, and running multiple applications simultaneously without experiencing slowdowns or lag. ATEC also emphasizes the quality control testing that each module undergoes. This rigorous testing aims to ensure reliable performance and longevity. The kit is also backed by ATEC's limited lifetime warranty, offering peace of mind and support should any issues arise. In summary, the ATEC 32GB DDR4 3200MHz kit presents a compelling option for those looking to enhance the performance of their ASUS Prime-based systems. Its compatibility, ease of installation, and the backing of a lifetime warranty make it a worthwhile consideration for anyone seeking a memory upgrade.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.